Hey guys, my name is Emil and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to use your mobile smartphone as your webcam. It's a very simple process guys, and you can do it for free. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open your browser. In Google, you're going to search a software called Webcam for Windows. Okay, then the first link will be Webcam use mobile phone as a PC webcam. Okay, click on it. This link will be in the description below, so you can just straight away just go and click on it. Okay, once you're here, you can go and you can see here it says download to x64 and x86. x64 is for 64-bit system and x86 is for 32-bit system. Okay, so I recommend you to choose download 2. Don't choose download 1 since it's super slow. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this. Okay, and then just click on keep and open it. Put yes to the administrator access. Okay, and set it up. Next. I'm not going to make it run as startup, and I'm just going to create the desktop shortcut, install. Okay, so once this is done, you're going to uncheck the run Webcam and click on finish. Okay, so now let's get on to our smartphone, and I'm going to teach you on how to install Webcam on that. Okay guys, so we are in my smartphone right now. I'm sorry if the quality is quite bad. I'm using my inbuilt smartphone recorder, so yeah, bear with me. Okay, so you're going to go into the Play Store, then you're going to search Webcam. Okay, then you're going to click on install on the first one. Okay, as you can see, it says installing. Okay, once the installation is complete, you're going to click on open. I'm going to allow both. Okay, and you can see it says searching for Webcam PC. Okay, so I'm going to open up Webcam here. You can see it says waiting, and bam, you can see that my phone is connected. So I'm just going to take out my PC. Oh, you can see videoception right here. Okay, so I'm just going to keep this video down onto my mousepad right here. Okay, so you don't get any disturbance. Then you're going to click on here, the settings. Make sure the exposure, if it's too bright, you can turn down the exposure, or you can turn down the ISO for better image quality. Then you can change everything here. Okay, and then we're going to go to these three lines and go to settings. Okay, in settings, make sure it's 720p. So if it's 1080p, you'll most probably load up the phone and it'll start to overheat. So I recommend 720p. Okay, FPS 30, and also you can leave it at default. Okay, click on apply. Okay, so now you can still see the phone. So now we are going to make this be recorded on OBS. So you're going to minimize this. We're going to open OBS. Okay, so once OBS is opened, you're going to click here on the plus sign, and you're going to click on add video capture device. Okay, and click on OK, and instantly it will pick up the Webcam. Okay, and then you're going to click OK. You can resize this. We drag it down here, and you can see if I bring up my phone, you can see my keyboard. Hold on, let me position it well. See my keyboard, the speakers, and everything. And that's basically it guys. That's how to use your smartphone as your webcam. It's pretty simple and it has great image quality. I mean, the quality is outstanding right now. So if you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.